Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we are going to draw in color Cookie Monster. Let's start drawing. First, we draw the cute eyes of the Cookie Monster. Then we draw the shape of its head. While we're making these wavy drawings, we'll play a game. Let's follow the pen together. We're drawing the Cookie Monster's mouth before we start the game. Let's not forget to draw the cookie. Are you ready? Let's follow the pen together. Up, right. Down, left, and up again. Wow! Now let's finish the Cookie Monster's mouth and draw the amazing dark chocolate on the cookie. Let's not forget the cookies in the Cookie Monster's mouth. Look at those cute eyes of the Cookie Monster. Sweet! We're starting our game again. Let's follow the pen together. Down. Down again. Let's stop. Now down. Left. Up. Down. Up again. Let's wait. Here we go. Down. Down and left. Down. Down again. Woohoo! This is so much fun! Let's speed up this game now. Right. Down. Right again. This was very fast, but very fun. With this game, we completed our Cookie Monster drawing. Let's start coloring. Brown for cookie. Blue for the Cookie Monster. Look at that blue Cookie Monster. So cute! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.